So hey guys, I'm back. Why is it so red? I'm dying. Finally. Basically, I'm just gonna update you guys. So let me just tell you, I have a new addiction, okay? You're probably wondering what it is. So, is it cocaine? No. Is it meth? No. Is it crack? I'm pretty sure that's cocaine, right? Isn't that the same thing? Well, that's not what I'm addicted to. Because I am addicted. I'm addicted to Fortnite. Sometimes I wake up and all I want to do is just play Fortnite, but I can't. I have to get ready for school, so then I do that. And then I get to school and guess what I do? Play Fortnite, so. Under eye concealer changes the way it looks. So let me tell y'all about something, and I'm gonna be so real right now. Like, this is so real. Ew, I look so ugly. This summer, I'm gonna be throwing some content at you guys. It's gonna be better than ever. Like, I'm actually so excited for summer because school is the reason why I can't post, because it's school. Like, it ruins everything. Like, I thought that doing my under eyes was gonna make me less ugly, but it really didn't. That's all I have to say. So, stay tuned. So I started this channel thinking it was gonna be a makeup channel, and I almost never do makeup content because I don't want to. Because the beauty community, this is gonna sound so James Charles, but I feel like it's honestly so boring. Unless the person doing it is really funny, which as of right now is no one. No one is really that funny to me. So that's why I'm here. I'm just really innovative. I wasn't prepared to film this. Let me let you in on a little secret. I wasn't gonna film until I realized I procrastinated filming so much that this is my very last day to film. You know, going back to me never filming, yeah, that's what's happening right now. Who needs this done when you have a trap phone? I mean, whatever. You know what, I was really gonna go somewhere with that, but then I just got distracted and realized that I'm probably gonna be late, so I really need to get working. So let's go. I also look ugly and I'm really depressed, so okay, so I'm gonna go in with the orange shade and then that shade, like, mix. Oh shoot, I need to not be annoying, and I'm not doing a good job at that, so. I don't even realize I only have 30 subscribers because, you know, that's 30 people. You know, when you think about that, that's a lot of people. And my views are better than 30. Like, I get more than 30 views on every video. So, like, you know, I'm just talking to every single person who watches the video, and I hope that every single person likes it, you know? So it's like, who cares if I only have 30? I need to prove myself to those 30 people and tell them what's good. So that's what I'm doing. So hey, at people who watch my video, please subscribe. I need it so bad. Okay, I need to check the time, so BRB. So I just checked the time and I realized I have to be ready in like 3 minutes. So I'm gonna speed eyeshadow and then I'm gonna speed wipe off my bake and speed powder, and then I'll talk to you then, so. Why does it look like this? Like, what caused this to, like, do that? Okay, I don't know. I'm gonna get this brush and then I, like, use the contour shades but pretend it's bronzer so that it's, like, you know, just bronzing it up. But just on my cheekbones, like, just to, like, get some color in there. Then we get this brush and then we go in with all of them, go in ham, contour my jawline because, it's not so good, so I really need to help it. Then I go under my lip, under my nose, get the colors again, go on my forehead, Like, I don't know why I didn't talk about my makeup throughout this whole video, but for now, I'm just talking about it. But, you know, now you get a contour tutorial, so you're lucky if you ask me. Even though my contour is honestly bad because it looks good at, like, at home, and then I go to school and I look at it, and it's, like, straight up not right at all. So, don't listen to me, because this is clearly, like, too much, but, oh my god, that looks, not that bad. I go in with this brush to contour, tap it off, side of nose, and then my nose is just brown. So then I get this brush, which is like that, and I get the yellow banana powder, and I go in on the sides, and then kind of chisel it a little bit. I'm doing nose contour so wrong, and I've never done it right. Except yesterday, it looked pretty good, so. But today's not yesterday, so frick that. Why do I shake like that? Like, why am I so shaky? I'm shook. I am not thriving right now. I'm gonna be late to school, and it's gonna be embarrassing, so. So, I think I'm gonna vlog at school. Not really sure though, so don't count on it, but I am, so do count on it. Because this video was like not funny at all and like too short, so. Actually, probably not too short, but not funny at all, so I need to film at school, so stay tuned.
You think you is? Are you vlogging? Okay, sorry, I did not. Also, this is being filmed vertically.
Wait, you're vlogging?
It is?
Yes.
I can flip it, it's fine.
We love you. Mwah.
This was not planned.
Yeah, I just.
Have y'all seen this?
Oh wait, click on the photo specifically and then do that.
Teachers, please pardon this interruption. At this time, we would like to conduct our simulation of a shelter-in-place drill for inclement weather. This will include only the upstairs teachers and classroom only and quarters. Only upstairs.
That's us, right? So there was a drill. It was pretty scary if you ask me. Don't look at me. There's a drill. Tell us all about it. And they're like, actually, I want to know. I'm so interested. Hey, BRB vlog.
I'm sorry. I know I'm a failure, okay? It sucks for me because I know I'm a failure, but like there's nothing I can really do about it. And if you're wondering what I'm talking about, I didn't really vlog during school. You know, it's hard. Why is this light doing that? I forgot to film at school. I mean, I didn't forget to film. It's just I didn't want to because every situation I was in the whole entire day, every single second of my 7 hours being at school, I felt uncomfortable. Also, I looked ugly. I looked really, really ugly today. This lighting, it may be fooling you, or maybe I am just ugly and y'all are gonna comment below and be like, you're just ugly. Don't, please, I'll probably die if that happens. So